were really interested in rebranding your company. And rebranding, what does rebranding mean to you?
All of it's different, totally new.
It's not really just a logo.
Yeah, clean slate, clean slate.
We started throwing out some ideas that you didn't like, and then you showed me some stuff that you did, and it was along this line.
Yeah.
So what you're doing here is attention getting, it's head turning, and it rises above in that level of visibility. What did you want that to say about your quality and the way you do business?
Sure, yeah. So I didn't want it to be really messy. I wanted it to be clean for the consumer, easy to understand, and the message that we were going for is trustworthy and highly reliable, right? And premium. We do a great job, we do it right the first time.
How do you feel like this will work out that way?
Oh, it's great. Could it be any better?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
So what are your hopes and dreams?
As long as we're doing right by our customers and our associates, yeah, that's what I want.
What was it like for you when you first walked in the shop and you saw your brand and the design and the full wrap come to life for the first time?
Wow. Because all I've seen is what was on the computer, right? And seeing a computer screen of this van to seeing it in person, you wouldn't think that there would be that much of a difference, but it's night and day. It's incredible.
You got to see the whole process from start to finish. What part of the process stood out the most to you?
I would say the design and the anticipation, and then getting to come up here and meet with you guys before we actually got these wrapped. The tour of the facility, hearing your philosophy was really, really cool. I mean, I knew that I was in good hands, but getting to come up here and meet with you for the first time, it all came together.
It's interesting because we really do have to trust each other. One of the things I want from my customers the most is that these vehicles aren't sitting around here for several days.
Yeah, I think you guys were done with it last night, weren't you?
We were.
Yeah.
The important thing to me is I just want to listen to my customers, and what I hear from them a lot of times is, we came to you because we couldn't afford to have our vehicles down for a week. Plan and plan and plan and prepare to get going. And that's why we can do a lot of stuff in a day. How would that have affected you if it was 5 days?
Well, you're losing money every day you don't have one of these vans. So.
You sure are.
Yeah.
You sure are. And it's several thousand a day.
Yes.
Times 4 or 5 days, the math really
kills you. Yeah, if you're not careful.
We're just real people working with real people.
Yeah.
And I think it's all about, okay, so what do you want and how do we solve it? Been in business 3.5 years. You've already had graphics put on your vehicles, and then you start thinking, okay, well, I want my brand to be bigger than life. How did that process work out for you, and then what made you pick us?
Yeah, so it's something that I've wanted for a long time. Deciding on exactly what I wanted, though, I think was the tricky part, right? Do I want to take the time and the money to go over the top like it deserves, or do I want to try to save some money and go with something that's definitely better than what I have, but not to this level? So by the time I finally decided that if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right, I'm going to do the best that I possibly can, there's only one name that's that disruptive in the market of branding, right? And that's Don't Drive Naked. There's no other branding company that's going to stand out like you guys are, right? So then I go to your website and I see some of the work you've done. I'm like, that's what I want. Pick up the phone, call, have a great experience from the first phone call. How can you go wrong?